All right, guys. So, welcome back to the channel. Today is Juneteenth, and I decided that I want to go on a little nature trail, nature walk. Smell the good, clean, crisp air that California has to offer. Oh yeah. I just left Ocean Beach, and it was gorgeous, very, very gorgeous. I didn't get a chance to record out there because it was hella windy, very, very windy out there. So, but I did record some stuff. I'm gonna drop it at the end of this video. So stay tuned. Stay tuned until the end. I'm gonna make this a quick. Oh, that smells so good. Something over here smells heavenly. I think it's this tree. Yeah, something smells really good. I just don't want to get lost. But oh, I wonder, should we go this way, this way, or this way? Let's see. Yeah, so this is nothing. This leads to nothing. Oh, it leads to the leads to this back here. Yeah. So for those who know me, you guys knew I was gonna find one of these little nature things down here sooner or later. And yeah, I found one. So and it is, oh, I love the air. I love this. Love it. I have to get a bike so I can be like that guy. Yeah. So yeah, it's so beautiful out here, man. Like this is beautiful. I would recommend, if you are in the San Francisco area, that you visit this recreational park. If you're into nature, if you're not into nature, it's just a good opportunity to be able to align with the earth and, and be able to just, have time to yourself and think and meditate and grow and stuff, things of that nature. We have a little bar back here and stuff. So they have like barbecue and stuff back here. So we have 2 trails. I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, like a little beach house back here. Hey, they're back there drinking and eating some good barbecue, smells like. Oh yeah, so I guess this is a perfect time to give you guys a little update. So I have joined, and I'm only breathing hard because I kind of lost my breath, but I've started going to AA meetings for Alcoholic Anonymous. Clap, 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 clap. Thank you. It's a big step for me. I know a lot of people are like, dude, you don't have a drinking problem. Which can partially be correct and partially cannot be correct. It's a wolf. It's a wolf, guys. But however, like, I notice when I do drink and stuff, how it kind of affects, your cognitive decisions and things of that nature. And with me, it really affects that. And it's only when I become like overly intoxicated, which is not good for anyone, to not be able to make sound decisions, that, so I'm on this journey, another journey I'm on, and it's difficult at times, but that's why I go to the meetings, so I can be amongst other people that are struggling with the same thing, and that's actually trying to take steps to, oh, look at that bird. Bet y'all can't even say it. Hold on. Look at the baby bird. It's a baby. Aww. It's like so small. It's like this small, guys. But yeah, so I'm taking this to these steps. Sorry. I'm taking these steps to like better myself. I thought I was a peacock, but it's not. We're not in Miami. Somebody just threw some crap up there. I hope I don't get lost. But yeah, so I'm taking these steps to just make like I'm on a big journey, guys. I'm always trying to better myself, and I just see this as an opportunity to be able to just take advantage of things that I would not normally take advantage of, and just become the best person I can, actually. So, all right, we have another split. Which way should we go? The narrow way or the broad way? I'm going to go the broad way. There's nothing this way, I don't believe, though. I'll come back and do the narrow. Yeah, there's nothing back this way. This leads, it's nothing. So yeah, it's a decision that I'm making. Well, I've made. I've been to, I believe, 4 meetings thus far. I enjoy them. I enjoy the people that I'm connecting with. I enjoy the conversations that we have. And yeah, I mean, why not do something that can make me into a better human being on my my understand, well, my expectations of a good human being, so but yeah, comment below and let me know if you have excuse me, struggled with alcohol addiction, or if you just want somebody to talk to, because I sometimes need someone to talk to about this journey, because, you know, it's like I'm not the only person in my circle that's trying to quit, but, you know, it's kind of difficult when, you know, you feel like you're alone, but you're not. I know I'm not alone. But that was my nature walk. I love you guys. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Check out this video of the awesome beach that I saw. Love you. Peace. What kind of sick, twisted joke is this?